ओके सो नेक्स्ट जो है, हाँ जी प्रियदर्शनी, सो आपका जो डाउट है डीपीपी, यू कैन सेंड फोटो इन ग्रुप इफ यू हैव, है ना, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप ग्रुप में भेज
Oh,
दो.
yes, sir. I sent it in today morning, sir.
ओके ओके लेट मी सी. सो वेयर इन विच ग्रुप, you can send it again, huh?
2027 new batch. Okay, sir. I'll send it again.
Okay, okay, this was the question, got it. Suppose in an examination there are 5 MCQ. In each question 2 out of 4 options are correct. Okay, so in an examination there are 5 MCQ questions. Okay, so there are 5 MCQs, and in each question 2 out of 4 options are correct. So out of 4 there are 2 options are correct. In each question 2 out of 4 options are correct. अच्छा 4 में से 2 correct means what? So probability of getting correct answer on is what? 2 are correct answer, है ना, 2 are false answer. 2 students who do not know the correct answer guess and select 2 option randomly. Okay, the 2 students हैं and they do not know actually correct answer, so they guess and select 2 option randomly. What is the probability that, so they're asking what is the probability that the 2 student will answer an equal number of questions correctly. So they will answer equal number of questions correctly. So answer let's say by student 1, let's say, and y is a random variable, assume number of correct answer by student 2. Okay, so what do you think? There are 2 questions, so in each question 2 out of these are correct. So there are 5 questions in all, and 2 students who do not know the correct answer guess and select 2 options randomly. So what is the probability that the 2 students will answer equal number of questions correctly? So means there are 4 options, out of 4 2 are correct. So they are asking ki like both correct they will select or one correct, है ना. So they are asking what is the probability that the 2 student will answer an equal number of questions correctly. So I think the confusion here, in each question 2 out of 4 options are correct. Okay, so there are 2 options out of 4 correct. मान लो A B C D है, so there are 2 options are correct. So I mean so answer of that question is correct. So what is the rule, whether we have to select both correct answer or just one among that 2 correct answer, that है ना we have to see. Suppose in examination there are 5 MCQ questions. Okay, so in each question 2 out of 4 options. Okay, so what is support of x? What do you think? How many question x can correct? What is support of x?
From 0 to 5, sir.
Yes, 0 to 5. Huh? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems binomial. Huh? So y will also have support 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are asking us to find probability, है ना. So actually they are asking us to find probability x is equal to y, and they are 2 different students now, so they will be independent of each other. Okay, 2 different students are there, and they guess the answer, and they select 2 options randomly, है ना. So in each question they select 2 options. Okay, so the what I'm considering, in one question the answer will be correct if they select both correct options. So like in question 1 we'll consider question 1 is correct if student will select both correct, like MSQ type. Huh? So I'm considering that way. So this is actually probability x is equal to k into probability y is equal to k from 0 to 5. So this we have to find. So x, y are equal, na? So if x is k, y will also be k. I'm considering they are independent. So that's why I have taken different. So if they are not independent, then we have to write like this. X is equal to k and y is equal to k. This will be the answer. But since I'm considering independent, ठीक है? Now, you find what is the probability that x is 0. So you find separately. I think they are identically distributed also, because both have the same guessing. So I think they are identically distributed. So we can write it as further summation probability x is equal to k whole square, k from 0 to 5. Now you find this value. So how did you try? So what is the probability of getting no correct answer?
Sir, first to get the two correct answer from that four options, I did number of favorable ways, sir. Like 4C2 in the denominator and in the numerator 2C2.
So like it's okay, 2C2 means 1. 1 upon how many you have?
1 by 6 because 4C2. Out of four options, they are choosing two options. That is the sample space. And favorable ways is 2C2 because they have to select those two options in order to get that question itself correct.
Okay. Then did you get the answer that way? Did you try this?
Yes, sir. I actually tried that binomial way of from 0 to 5. But the answer key shows option A, but I am getting different answer.
No problem. Answer key might be wrong. This answer, this problem series made by Suvajit, who was IIT Bombay student. Then he's also working currently. So there are few answers that are correct, incorrect. So you don't worry about that option. The thing is, you should have a good concept, and you have to be confident that you get the right answer. Okay, बाकी लोग बताओ क्या हो सकता है. So that है ना, I'm considering both are correct options. So that way your approach is fine. So there are few questions where answer is wrong, so you don't care about that. Okay, so like I said, there are four options and you said 4C2, so any two option may be correct. So this is actually 6. Okay, and you said they will get the correct answer in one question, so it's a 2C2, so they will select both correct, right? Just there are two approach, so we are considering the same approach. There are other may think that if you select any one of the correct answer, your answer is correct. That is the other approach. So I think they are the question is also saying you have to select the both correct answer, है ना? Select two options randomly. So in that way आपका जो small p है वो कितना हो गया 1/6. So यहाँ से x आया binomial क्या 5,1/6 and y is also binomial 5 1/6. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So इससे जो आंसर आया इट्स फाइन. आई थिंक उसमें आंसर की गलत होगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो कितना आया आंसर आपका? आप क्या बता रहे थे? 10 5 5 ना?
Sir, I got answer as 0.3498.
अच्छा, देयर आर टू स्टूडेंट राइट? सो टू स्टूडेंट. So how many questions it has? It has only 5 questions for one, 5 questions for two. Okay. So you are getting none of these. What is the option there?
I got option D, sir, but the correct answer is option A.
63 by 256. So I think they might have think in the other way. Other way is like if you take P as 2 by 4, for example. So 1 by 2. So will it work? I think their answer will match through this approach. है ना. समटाइम्स डिपेंड्स ऑन जो क्वेश्चन बनाया है वो किस इंटेंशन से क्वेश्चन उन्होंने बनाया है. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. सो लाइक आई सेइंग वी हैव टेकन द अप्रोच दैट if a student select both correct answer, then only will consider the answer correct. But you change the approach. The approach is there are two correct options. If a student select any one of the correct option, we will consider that option is question answer is correct. So in that case p will be 2 out of 4, 1 by 2. In that case x will be binomial 5 comma 1 by 2. Now see this way, I think so their answer will match through this way maybe. So I
Okay,
think
sir.
they might have think in that way. So actually in exam na, in word problem this happens sometimes. So it's a language, so it depends on interpretation. So how those who made the question, how they interpret, and we are reading their question, so how we interpret. So it depends on that. So maybe they have considered this way and then answer will match, I guess. See, or otherwise your approach is also fine, है ना.
Okay, sir.
ओके चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं भाई.